Okay, just wanted to show you guys the Mopar LED fog lights. A lot of people know that these are JW Speaker. I just got these from the dealer. Here's the box. JW Speaker Corp is the supplier. There's the Mopar part number. If it'll focus, there you go. And these are a really nice install. So everything I've seen so far has been a lot of soldering the wires. Mopar supplies you with, unfortunately this plug is not the correct plug, but they do supply you with the plug that you need to replace, not on the LED, but on the JK harness. We'll start, just unplug the OEM. We're going to replace this plug with the one that shipped with the new fog lights, so just set it aside for now. And then we're going to loosen these two bolts here. Okay, so we just removed those two bolts, and then the entire fog light assembly will come out. It's in there pretty tight, so you just have to twist it around. A little hard to do with one hand and filming here, but essentially the whole assembly will come right out. And there it is. So now we've got the bracket, the AEV bracket. We're gonna undo these 4 screws, 2 on each side, pop out the OEM fog light, and put in the new LED. Okay, so we've undone the 4 screws on each side. Now we can remove the OEM fog light. There's our AEV bracket, and then we have our new Mopar JW Speaker LED fog light, and essentially goes right back in the way the old one came out. 4 screws, and then we can slide it back into the front bumper assembly. You've got to take this plug off. I used a little pick and plugged it into this little slot on the outside and on this side, and essentially you push those in and put some pressure on the wires, and this piece will slide right off. And then you have these plugs that are now exposed, and Mopar provides you with the replacement. Okay, so we just replaced the OEM plug with the one supplied by Mopar here, and essentially the black goes into the B slot, and this one is a reddish white blend here, slides into the A pinhole. And when those slide in, you slide them all the way, you'll hear a click, and then they're once they're there, they're locked into place. And now this plug is as good as new, but no need to cut the wires, solder them together, just replace the plug, and then plug it in. There they are. And then we'll clean up the wiring here, tuck it in, adjust the fog lights, and off and wheeling away.